Hey, it's George with Watchman German Shepherds. Just a little dropping in on the puppies. 2-week-old German Shepherd puppies. Of course, they are from the mom. Her name is Karma, and the dad, his name is Storm Jr. And these puppies are doing very well. They eat, they sleep. They move a little more each day, but pretty much what you see is what they do. That's their life. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'd appreciate it if you did. Check out my merch. Check out my merch, and appreciate that. Have a great morning.